Okay. See how we go. I think we've done one very similar to this. I think this one's hopefully a little bit different. I'm going to make this look much better than the last version I did. So let's see how we go. I think this one will work better as a positive image rather than a negative. So we're just going to shoof over here and set this silly piece of shit machine up. Okay. I'm just wondering, we're just going to lighten it as usual for this. We'll just see how we go. Okay. Let's see what we can do. I think this will look nice as this. It's quite colourful. It's reasonably colourful. Let's see how what we got here. We got here a Westfield Chatswood centre directory. I'm going to make this tea party look interesting. We're going to make it look really strange, actually. Go a bit of fun with a bit of this capitalist bullshit. Yeah, anyway, I must admit it's nice to hang out at Westfield on a hot summer's day or a cold winter's day, because at least you've got aircon and it's nice. Better than being at home without aircon, without heating or cooling. But you can't stay there all the time, unfortunately. It's not your house, it's not a place, you can't live there, so I think I made this one too big, to be quite honest. So I'm just going to make this, just wondering if we're just going to make it between 200 and 141, so we're going to make it 170 that way and 170 this way, something different. Let's see if we can make it look good. Let's just take the tea party and make it look into a really nice, fun version of a tea party. Okay, let's see how we go. Right, let's get this slipping and sliding. Okay, let's see how that looks. Oh, that didn't sound good. Did you hear that, folks? Click. Oh, Konica Minolta's looking really bad. When you hear that happening, it's not a good sign. The machine's probably going to break. That looks quite good, actually. I think we can work with that one. So now I'm thinking maybe this will go onto the recycle pile. We're just going to use this nice and colourful bit there. So now we're just going to make this look interesting. Just going to set it up for copied paper. Going to get rid of these enlargements. Just set it back to 100. We're just going to make this look interesting. We're going to try and work on this. So now we're going to go here and we're just going to maybe darken the copy density a bit. What else are we going to do with this shit? I think we're going to leave it like that and we're just going to make our mirror image. I think that's going to be, obviously that's going to be the centre of our job for our 4-way mirror image. So we're just going to put that on the glass. See what we do, see what we go. Alright. Oh, I just had, which is the scan. The scanner squeaks. Sometimes it squeaks. It's not a very good sound for Konica Minolta. So let's see how this looks. Oh, that looks very warm, actually. It does look a bit warm. Wondering if we're going to cool it or if we're going to leave it like that. But then, you know, you imagine a department store is quite a warmish place. Like it has, well, I know as a kid, some department stores or some places where you buy clothing and shit often used warm white fluorescent tubes rather than the cool white. Don't quote me, I think some places did, like clothing shops. And that sort of brings back memories of the warm white fluoro lighting back in the 70s. I don't like warm white. I must say. I must admit, I do prefer the crispness of a cool white fluorescent light, fluorescent tube or fluorescent bulb or LED, whatever. And basically I just don't like the warm white colour, especially when it's really not practical when I'm shooting my videos. Everything just turns a horrible, nasty brown or yellowy brown colour or pinky yellow. It's really quite rubbishy, the kind of quality you get for your videos. It's really grotty. It doesn't look good. And it doesn't show the pictures. Even daylight's a lot better. I mean, it's natural, but I wish I had a warm white bulb in my unit. I just can't be bothered changing it. I want to keep using the old bulbs until they wear out for environmental reasons. No use wasting a workable bulb just because you're worried about the colour temperature. Although if I was staying here perhaps for another couple of years, I might change out the bulb because I've got a lot of work to do and I might have to make that sacrifice. But still, it's not good to change things for environmental purposes, because I'm trying to do the right thing by the planet, and it's fucking hard. It's not easy trying to be environmentally friendly. Like, I can't afford, I haven't got a place to put solar panels and a battery, so I have to use the grid. And I don't think I'm using renewables, which is a shame. But that looks quite nice. That's really strange, but I think now we can call it quits. But you get my drift. It's not always easy being green in certain circumstances. I just hope I can catch up one day and make a difference.